Hey everybody, Andrew Augustiniak from the Augustiniak Lending Team here. We're sitting more in a relaxed setting in today's video because I got my good buddy Joey Matthews, VA Loan Nerd, office. We share a wall. We will cut a hole in the wall eventually. And I apologize. I have a little cut in my lip that will not heal, Joey, for the past 6 weeks.
I accept your apology.
It's been driving me crazy, but today Joey has a question to ask me that will spur into a conversation. I think whether you're a consumer watching this, self-employed, investor, and mostly real estate agent, you will get value out of this conversation. Joey, what do you got for me today?
Yeah, man. So I know, obviously, I have my moniker, the VA Loan Nerd, but I think one of the things that has made me a better loan officer since making this move to neighborhood has been learning your business, because the things that you do, you're like I don't know what kind of non-QM nerd for sure, right?
Non-QM nerd,
easy all day.
That could be the new thing.
Maybe we will. Maybe we will. We got a little guy, but yeah. So Andrew has opened my eyes to how much I have failed my realtor partners, my clients, by not knowing the vast amount of products that are out there for the less common situations, right? So the non-QM, the non-qualified mortgage products, right? So this is, and granted, this is just like the bare bones knowledge that I have compared to him, but like the bank statement loans, these P&L loans, like all these tools that most lenders, they flat out don't know exist. So Andrew's like a walking like bank account for realtors, because he provides solutions where no one else has them. So Andrew, tell us how did you venture your way into the non-QM space?
So 2013, I got into the Arizona Real Estate Investors Association. I started investing in real estate in 2013 and learned about what we call a DSCR loan, which is an investor cash flow loan, which is an investor no-doc loan, which allows investors to buy property who may write off everything. Nobody literally for 6 years even touched those loans. Like, I was the only person really doing them because rates were low. It was easier to get a new one. And nobody really dabbled in non-QM because there was so much traditional business. And then just slowly from there, just like if you think about it, it's like if we're a mortgage consultant, we should know about all the different mortgage products for our clients. And I think a lot of people don't do that because, frankly, like, they are harder to learn. They're a little bit more stressful because they're not as streamlined as normal loans. And a lot of people simply just don't have the balls to do it because they're so scared of making a mistake, which you can't, or they're in a place like where you used to be, where they don't do those as often. So it depends on where they are. But I mean, ultimately, like, our job as a mortgage consultant, really, I don't think of it as a loan originator. I don't think of it as like a broker. I think of it as consultants. We should know all the different types of financing options and be able to provide them to our clients and realtor partners. And because I think by doing so, you give your realtor partners more opportunities to create more business by educating them on the potential loans, which then could attract different buyers to them. And even like the most common, I just did a video that we'll be posting next week on self-employment loans that, you might have somebody who's self-employed write off everything on their tax returns, but their bank statements show all the revenue, and we have loans that'll base it off the revenue of the bank statements over 12 months. You've done numerous amounts of those loans since you came here.
And it's so easy.
How many loans could you have had if you had done these loans over the past 5 years?
Oh my gosh. I like a lot more. Like, I can't even tell you. It's embarrassing how much more how many more people I could have helped, how many more realtors I could have helped. But I didn't know the space.
Yeah.
And honestly, like, when people would bring up these types of loans, I was like, nah, dude, that's not real. That's a unicorn, fake loan. And then I come here and I meet Andy Augustiniak, and
I mean, here's a small little list of all. I mean, there's so many more loans, but You have loans that are based off of bank statements. You have loans that are based off P&Ls. You have loans that are based off 1099s. You have loans. There's some still no ratio loans that you don't have to be employed. You just have to show you have the assets. There are asset-based loans. There are loans that are simply based off the rental income of a property. There's loans that if you can show you have enough money to buy the house in cash, they'll give you a loan. There's loans where you can cross-collateralize other properties.
Yep.
To buy other houses. There's loans where you can get one loan to cover 10 different properties. There's loans that you can do up to 10 unit properties. There's home equity lines of credit that you can base off your bank statements. There's so many different loan products out there. We have investment HELOCs. We have investment HE loans. We have down payment assistance. We have 100% FHA financing. We have so many different. We have land loans. We have construction loans. We have fix and flip loans. We have rehab loans. We have 203K loans. That's an FHA renovation. We have home style renovation loans. We have so many different loan products out there that the door is open. It's just a matter of the LO educating realtors, because realtors don't know that those loan products exist.
I love it. Honestly, dude, that reminded me of Bubba talking about his trip in Bowman Forest.
But we will be having a non-QM class. We were supposed to have one today. We canceled it just because it was short notice. We got like 6 RSVPs, but we'll have one next week. If we get this posted, jump on. We'll post a link in the channel below. But there's so many different financing options out there. You just gotta educate people on what those are, and then ultimately we provide more value to our clients. I mean, you've done a ton of little AI HELOC loans.
Oh my gosh, man. That's a beautiful thing. I just did another one yesterday.
There you go. See? So loans, there's a lot of them. There's so many different loan products out there. You just have to ask the questions, but I'm excited that you get excited about them. And if anybody has any questions, we do loans in 46 different states between Joey and I, and we're more than happy to help. You can find us on social media and just message us directly, or you can click on the link below, schedule a meeting, whatever that may be. We're always happy to help, and we'll catch you on our next video.
Thank you so much, Andy. You're the best.
Yay.